पिछले क्लास में हमने एक्सपोनेंट एंड पावर्स का जो कंसेप्ट आपको समझाया था। अभी इस बार एक रिवीजन करेंगे। देखो जो रूल है ये रूल को एक बार रिवाइज करो। रूल क्या है? a to the power m into a to the power n, same base. When base is same, then what will do? So you have to add their powers keeping the same base, a to the power m plus n. This is rule number 1. Using this rule, just giving an example, do it. 5 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 7. 5 to the power 3 means क्या है? 5 is multiplied 3 times. Similarly 5 to the power 7 means 5 has multiplied 7 times. So when you multiply, what will do? Same base is there. So power should be added keeping the same base. 5 to the power 3 plus 7. 5 to the power 10. This is the rule number 1. Similarly, rule number 2. So when you divide, if same base is there, what will do? See, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So what will do? Same base a, power should be subtracted. A to the power m minus n. So here one condition is there. If m is greater than n, then a to the power m minus n. If m is less than n, then नीचे पावर बढ़ा है तो ये you can write 1 by a to the power n minus m. This is the rule number 2. So using this rule, so I am giving example. Let's see. 7 to the power 3 divided by 7 to the power 2. Same base 7. So what will do? Power should be subtracted. 7 to the power 3 minus 2, that is 7 to the power 1. So case number 1. Case 2. That means 7 to the power 4 divided by 7 to the power 5. Then what will do? नीचे power बढ़ा है तो you can write 1 by 7 to the power 5 minus 4, that is 1 by 7. So this is the rule number 2. Next, rule number 3. Rule number 3. A to the power m to the power n. So you can write a to the power mn. Suppose, example, I am giving example. 2 to the power 5 to the power bracket whole to the power 3. Bracket means multiplication. So 2 to the power 5 into 3, 15. But one twist is here. Listen. Suppose it is given 2 to the power 5 to the power 2. So lot of students doing the mistake what? 5 into 2. 5 into 2. This is wrong. So there is no bracket. So it is what? 2 to the power 5 square. 5 square means 25. So 2 to the power 25. Don't write 2 to the power 10. This is wrong. Got it? So this is the difference. Very important concept. So third one. Third rule. Third rule completed. Next fourth. Fourth rule. A to the power m into b to the power m. Same power. So what will do? Just multiply their bases ab to the power m. Suppose 5 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. So you just multiply 15 to the power 3. Similarly, fifth rule. A to the power m by b to the power m. We can write a by b to the power m. Suppose 5 to the power 4 divided by 7 to the power 4. We can write 5 by 7 to the power 4. Got it? And sixth rule. Very important. Suppose a to the power minus 3 is given. Suppose a to the power minus m. So when we eliminate the negative power, so we take the reciprocal 1 by a to the power m. Suppose a question is given, find 2 to the power minus 3. Don't write it is minus 8. So eliminate the, first of all, eliminate the negative power. How do you eliminate the negative power? 1 by reciprocal 2 to the power 3. That is 1 by 8. So last one. Last one, anything to the power 0, always remember 1. So these are the laws. So I will discuss one by one, giving certain examples. Let's see. Siddharth, come. Siddharth. Suppose it is given 3/5 to the power -2 evaluate, find its value, find its value. थोड़ा हट के लिखो इसे. हाँ, so 3/5 to the power -2. Great. So first of all, when this type of question is coming, first of all eliminate the negative power. When you eliminate the negative power, we take the reciprocal. 5/3 was great. Write down one question. Find the multiplicative inverse. One more concept, listen. So Diksha, let's see here. Multiplicative inverse. So do you know what is the multiplicative inverse of 2? So Diksha, just so multiplicative inverse of 2 क्या होता है ना, 1/2, just reciprocal. Similarly, suppose multiplicative inverse of 3 क्या होता है ना, 1/3, just you take the reciprocal. Find the multiplicative inverse of 81 by 16 to the power -3/4. Find the multiplicative inverse. कैसे करेंगे? Do find the multiplicative inverse.
Sir, completed.
What is your answer?
Sir, 8/27.
So you have made mistake. See, let's see. थोड़ा इधर जाओ. तो पहले कि सिंप्लीफाई करो. 81/16 जैसे ही सिंप्लीफाई किए हैं, 3/3 to the power 4 by 2 to the power 4 whole to the power this one. So cancel. So ये है 3/2 to the power -3. तो इसको अगर सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो ये हो गया 2/3 to the power 3, that is 8/27. You have to find its multiplicative inverse. You have to find what? Its multiplicative inverse. What will do? You just take the reciprocal. 27 by 8 is the multiplicative inverse of this one. First of all, you simplify. After simplification, multiplication, just take the reciprocal. Got it? Multiplicative inverse of -3/2 to the power -4 whole to the power 1/2. Find its multiplicative inverse.
Okay, sir.
Find its multiplicative inverse. What is your answer?
-4.
So I think some mistake is there. Let me check. So first of all, you simplify this one. -3 to the power, bracket means power should be multiplied. Yes. -3 to the power -2. So when you eliminate the negative power, you take the reciprocal. -2/3 to the power 2. That is -4. Minus कैसे आएंगे? तो when you, some mistake is here. When minus is multiplied even number times, it will positive. So it is 4/9, not -4. This is a mistake. Do it. 4/9. And when you find its reciprocal, you just multiplicate. When you find its multiplicative inverse, just take the reciprocal. Got it? So this is the concept. Okay. So coming class, I will discuss one more question. Okay, so this is the rules and power, exponents of power. सो अगर ये चैनल आपको अच्छा लग रहा है और कुछ फ़ायदा मिल रहा है, इस चैप्टर को नया समझ में आया है, तो इसको शेयर, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.